We want students to have meaningful opportunities for learning. We want them to be curious about the world around them, to learn new skills and leverage their talents, to become lifelong learners, thinkers, and leaders. Through the Heritage Fair program, students learn and share the stories that matter to them in an immersive, hands-on environment.
How does it affect my life today? Why is something the way it is today? Well, it's because of history. And this is the perfect opportunity to showcase and highlight that.
The kids are working on so many different topics that they're sharing with each other and they're learning together as a whole. So they do have a lot of pride on knowing that this is their culture and this is their background.
There's a whole spectrum of stories. Every single person's story is different.
Once you find the story, what is the narrative that you want to tell, it gets very easy to expand it from the local to a broader national perspective.
The students still talk about this project.
Students choose a topic in Canadian history that interests them. They become historians and storytellers, coming up with rich answers to good questions. They research and investigate, plan and collaborate, create and communicate.
Found that the students were all really into it. They really got together. They worked hard. They felt accomplished with their historical thinking.
Not just about the project, it's about the process. It's really easy to look into the curriculum and pick topics from there. So you're not having to do extra work.
And what I really saw was the opportunity to continue the same kind of work that we've been doing with Science Fair, but now to really pursue cross-curricular and interdisciplinary studies. We're looking at getting the kids to feel excited about these larger scale projects that are engaging for them, but also really convenient for me as a teacher because we can hit so many things simultaneously.
They get to explore something they're passionate about. They're mixing disciplines, which is the perfect way to learn.
The culmination of all this work is a celebration of learning, whether that happens in a school or at a regional event. Students take pride in sharing their projects with their peers, families, and community members. Many heritage fairs have even more to offer, with hands-on workshops, museum tours, and other interactive programs. Students leave feeling inspired, accomplished, and equipped to take on new challenges.
It's a great opportunity to learn about history in Canada and do a project of your own choice and really get into something and make learning new stuff about history fun.
At the end of the day, they're all talking about, oh, did you see this board? Did you see that board? My heart is so full seeing my students do, the best that they can, and they're standing up there with the pride and presenting themselves the way they do.
Some may think that, oh, it's a lot of research, it won't be fun, but it really was fun to do this project and to experience it and find out more.
I think that experiential learning is key to real learning, to something that is going to last. It's so hands-on, it's so involved, and they will remember forever.